Well, after getting soaked on our walk and it continuing to rain today, I'm very thankful for my spray booth. And I am starting on some of the cabinetry. These are the 3 cabinets that go over the couch. And I'll distress them some. There's still more to happen to them. But as you can see, they have that adventure type theme to them. And we chose the Nile, the Amazon, and the Congo, probably because those are the 3 most recognizable rivers. And we actually have been on both the Amazon and the Nile. One of these days we're going to have to get out on the Congo just so that our camper is legit. So that's what I have been doing today in spite of the windy and rainy weather. All right, it's November 7th. It's noon already. We're getting a slow start this morning. We self-medicated with food and wine last night and then had grocery pickup this morning. We are doing what today?
Still moving forward with securing the wall. Having a few bonding issues still with this contact adhesive. So I have to wait a little bit longer so it doesn't eat up the styrofoam, so it doesn't quite have the stickiness that we kind of need. So I'm going to come back and use some urethane glue.
I'm wondering if maybe we should, you're almost out of that can of contact. Maybe we use something different?
We can look into something different.
Maybe. I am starting on this cabinet to get it out of the way so that we can, when this section is done, which will take a little time, then we can move on to the sides of the camper and on back. There's a lot of wiring that went through this. There was a radio over here. There was a microwave over there. So the wiring is going through it, and then it's attached to the wall, and there's all kinds of stuff going on, but we're going to take that puppy down